Hey everyone, it's Deb. Do you see what I see? I see paper pumpkin arrived today. Woohoo! I'm so excited. And all I did was snip this so I didn't have to do it on video. This is the October. It is called, ooh, I didn't know this, Friends of a Feather. I just knew fall themed, so let's see what it is. I was thinking leaves and things. Okay, so the first thing we have is what the next month's box will look like. And it's going to be the holiday one-stop box for holiday paper crafting. So it says, put a bow on your Christmas prep with Paper Pumpkin, your one-stop box for holiday paper crafting. Don't miss it. The last day to subscribe for it is November 10th. And the link will be below this video on how you can subscribe. It's $19.95 a month plus tax. Shipping is included. And tax only if your area has tax. Mine happens to have it. So that's the first thing. Then we get this. I'm going to need a piece of dark paper of some kind. Hang on. Got my scrap box here, so let's see what I can pull up. Maybe this will work. Which way? Okay. Okay, so it's a stamp set. It says, Friends of a Feather, stick together, get well, thinking of you. May hope make you feel better. So it's a get well one. And there's these, to me, it looks almost like angel wings, but I'm sure it's like feathers falling down. Yeah, it's angel wings. Oh, cute. And then a feather here, and then a dotted line, and this little, I don't know, like a crown almost symbol, or two little bird feet or something. I don't know. So let's see. And we get Night of Navy. Ooh, I actually love this color. I have it in the big stamp pad. So yeah, nice color to get in the box this month. And then of course we have the pretty paper that's in there every month. In turquoise, which is my favorite color, as you know. Or you may not know unless you've been here before. So let me remove this box off of here. And here's how the rest of the kit comes. Okay, it looks like cards. Ooh, it looks like it has some feather overlay detail or something. And so, oh, look at these feathers. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited. The only thing we were told is autumn and the coordinating colors, which I'm sure will be in this document in here. So let's check it out together. Woohoo! I love autumn. Other than the fact that it's cold. Today is like 50, I don't know, 56 was the high, I think, Fahrenheit. And, oops, I emptied my trash bag and forgot to put a new trash bag in. And we're actually supposed to go into the 30s, not tonight, but I think tomorrow night and the next night or something, like almost to freezing point. Like, okay, well, there we go. All right, so let's find the instruction thing first. Oops. Some little leafy things are falling off. So this is the instructions sheet here. It basically tells you stamp your sentiments, punch out leaves, and here in the card use. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's not do that yet. I wanted to go to the back of it because it says your kit includes on the back Friends of a Feather photopolymer stamp set, which is what I just showed you. Night of Navy classic Stampin' Spot, also just showed you. This is a water-based dye ink, acid-free, non-toxic. 8 printed card bases, 8 printed envelopes, 3 sheets die-cut elements, 6 sheets laser-cut elements, 2 yards of metallic twine, 1 yard vanilla gold weave ribbon. Ooh. 30 adhesive back sequins. Awesome. 55 dimensionals and 150 dots. And the coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are Cajun Craze, Coastal Cabana, Crumb Cake, Fresh Fig, Grapefruit Grove, and Night of Navy. I'm going to put you on pause and pull some of those out so you can see them. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry. Here's the colors it coordinates with. Cajun Craze. It's like a, you have seen me, and let me take it out of the folder so you can see it better. This is Cajun Craze. It's like a fall, deep, rusty orange kind of thing. Love it. Coastal Cabana, which is part of the Brights, and Cajun Craze is part of the Regals. This is a beautiful color. It's like a blue-green, a green-blue, something like that. Crumb Cake, one of my all-time favorite neutrals. Can't go wrong with that. Fresh Fig, which is part of the In Color 2017-19. There's your purple. Grapefruit Grove, which is the orange in the In Color 2018-20. And Night of Navy. Ta-da! So yeah, beautiful colors. Okay. Not what I would normally think of that go together, but hey, they make it work. So let's see all this yumminess. Okay, so we have, I gotta read this again, 8 card bases, it said. 8 printed card bases. These are the envelopes. Okay, so the envelopes are apparently 4 craft kind of style and 4 Grapefruit Grove ones. Let's see if they're, and they're printed inside. There's the Grapefruit Grove inside. Awesome. And let's see what the, oh, look at the, oh no, these are cards. Oh, how cute. They're actually die cut fancy border. These are cards, so I was mistaken. Sorry. So there's 4 of them. Let me see where the rest of it is. Hang on. Okay. And we get some in, the die cuts are kind of sticking to it. These are, oh, these are little note cards. These are in the Fresh Fig. Looks like this is more Highland Heather. This dark is the Fresh Fig. How cute are they? So you get 2 different sizes. Regular, like A2 size, and little note card ones. Cool. And then, so these craft ones go with the Grapefruit Grove. There must be little note cards for, oh, these are them. Oh, hang on, hang on. Oh, I'm not getting this. Oh, okay. That's cool. Look, it's, I thought that these were separate, but they're part of it. How pretty is that? You could cut it off, but it's got the Fresh Fig, like, watercolored. Oh, that's cool. So it opens like a trifold. Cool. Interesting. I have never seen them done that way. My one got a little crumpled up here. I'm a little upset by that, but anyway. They stuck together in the box. Okay, and then these are some Cajun Craze feathers. Let me get the cardboard. So these are all laser cuts, and then there's also some leaves here up the top with little berries. Let me take one. I think one came off actually somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. No, they're different ones. Okay, there's some things in different colors. So anyway, yeah, up here, there's some more die cut. So that's really cool. And you get 2 sheets of those. Awesome. You also get some Cajun Craze label punch outs. And I think they're meant to go, nope, they're not the right size. I was going to say on the front of the envelope, but no, that is not correct. So you get those. Ooh, 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 ooh. You also get, some of mine are coming off. Hang on. These 2 colors. Sorry guys, we're having a mishap. You get some Night of Navy little leafy things, one of which is fallen out over here somewhere. Here it is. And these long branches as well, and Fresh Fig feathers, Coastal Cabana feathers, Coastal Cabana. These, well, it's ones with little berries on, just like the Cajun Craze. I don't know if you can see that. How cool. I like feathers and birds and things like that. And then here's one in Grapefruit Grove, and you get 2 of those. Oh, this is so interesting. This is a me kind of thing. Yeah, and then you get ovals in Night of Navy. Awesome. And then, oh gosh, look at these. Aren't these pretty? These match the insides of the somewhat of the envelopes. So let me get these envelopes. Yeah, see, these little labels here match the inside of the envelope, but they're for on the card for stamping on, I believe. And let's see, do these match the inside of this one? No, not really. That's interesting, but you could use these with it, so I don't know. I might use them for something else because they don't really match the fresh fig. And then they also have these plain white ones over here to use, like label tags. So yeah, and I guess you could put them, well, we can do some layering. I can see some layering going on here. Alright guys, so let's look at the instructions. Stamp your sentiments however you want them, and they are stamping them in the picture on this, the things on this sheet. Punch out leaves and adhere them to the card using dots, and they're showing a picture of the card being these cards, but you know, there's little note cards too. When they say dots, they mean the glued. Oh, I didn't open those yet. Hang on. And then adhere stamped label piece to the solid back using dimensionals. So they're putting it on the navy ovals, it looks like. Or, yeah, I guess they're putting these onto the navy ovals. Or, I don't know if we had any other color oval. I don't think we did, no. And then they're cut. Okay, let's look at our items here, because I forgot to open the little bag. And this is the 2 yards metallic twine. It's like a copper and vanilla. Look, so cool. I don't know if you can see that. I hope. And then I'm going to take this out. This is the 1 yard of vanilla gold weave ribbon. This is pretty. I hope they bring this in a future catalog. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. It feels so soft, but it's got gold thread woven throughout it. It's got sort of a zigzaggy pattern to it. Gorgeous. Love that. I was going through all my ribbon today, not just Stampin' Up, because you know I buy stuff at yard sales and everything. Oh my gosh, guys, that's why I'm doing a ribbon de-stash, in case you hadn't seen that. Ribbon, and I'll probably be doing more in a future time too. These are the adhesive back sequins. You get 30 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, yep, 30. And here's your 55 dimensionals. And here is your little glue dots, which I use. There's 150 of them. I use them quite a bit, actually, and I especially like to use them now that I have my take your pick tool. And I love this flat spatula end. Love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. And they also have the putty end to use for picking up things like the sequins, so you'll probably see me be using that. Okay, so yeah, if you're a current subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, you will likely be able to get some leftovers from last month and also from this month. I think that's coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. But you have to be a current Stampin' Up subscriber, so to get past boxes or refills. And I don't know exactly what they're going to have available yet, so I will let you know as soon as I know. Okay? Alright guys, so this is the October 2018 Friends of a Feather paper pumpkin kit. It's autumn themed, but it's more than that because it's got feathers and beautiful sentiments. I love this Friends of a Feather stick together. I always like that saying. Get well, you can always use that. Thinking of you is generic, you can use that a lot. I love the feather here, and I love these feathery wing looking things. I just think that's gorgeous. And may hope make you feel lighter, like you're floating on wings. I don't know, it's just gorgeous. So love it. And navy, I love that ink, the navy ink. So yeah, I cannot wait to play around with it. Probably Thursday. I cannot do it tomorrow, and I cannot do it tonight. But probably Thursday I will be coming back with either a video or possibly a live, I don't know yet, making, now like I said before, I like to make it using the instructions sort of the way they intended it to be made for a couple of them. Oh, and I never finished. It had said cut 7-inch ribbon, fold in half, and adhere to laser cut card base using adhesive dots. Okay, and then adhere label piece to card base using sentiment. So they're putting the ribbon down first, then they're putting the, they're layering is what they're doing. And they have pictures showing what they've done. The ribbons going on the laser cut cards, and the other pieces are going on the other one with the scallops. And then it says cut 12-inch twine, which you have 9-inch ruler right here. So you just do 9 and then hold it in place and go back and do 3 more. Adhere on larger card base using adhesive dots. Oh, tie a bow and adhere sequence to card bases. So, and they show a picture with them done. So here they are. Ribbon is here underneath this one. And here's some big leaves here, but you can do them however you want. And I definitely want to play around with this one for sure. So yeah, I hope you like it. Those of you that signed up for $5, I think you got your money's worth, definitely for $5. Given even just the stamp set and the ink spot are worth that. Plus the ribbons and twines and dimensionals and glue dots and all the cards and goodies. And look at these beautiful colors. I think, oops, aren't these, oh my goodness, my feathers are falling out. I think I'm going to go ahead and take them off of here. And you know what, guys? I don't know if anybody else has said this before or not, probably, but once you punch all your pieces out, you can use this stuff as stencils. I mean, it's just the outline, but especially for these little pieces here, you could use them as stencils. Even these feathers. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, I will just have to play on Thursday and see what I can do. And then I usually come back and do some alternates too. So, yes. Friends. How's it go? Friends of a Feather, stick together. I hope you'll stick with me on Thursday. See you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.